2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede, Pyotr from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a classic 80s tune, I Melt With You by Modern English. Cool, so it's not that much to it. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chords. Okay, so we're in standard tuning. Our first chord is C major, but let's put a fifth in the bass. So it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So third finger on the third fret A string, and pinky on. Third finger on the third fret low E, and pinky on the A string. So it's a C with a fifth in the bass. And then for our F major 7, we do the same thing. So F is going to look like this. 1, 2, fifth in the bass, and the pinky is on the F right there, third fret D string. Alright. Chords for the verse, the chorus. It's some things you can do to make it more fun. It's a little melody. So it's so if you're a little bit more advanced, you go and you pick high E string. E, B, G, pick that, and then over the F, you pick first fret on the E string, open E, so here, end on the D there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 1, 2, 3. For the chorus, you can mix it up with the strumming and the pick. Yeah, right. And then for the verses, it's a little melody that goes like this. The C we can strum, and then we pick A string, E string, A string, D, back to A. So that's what I hear. And then over the F, let's strum. Then gonna play A string and then open A. Gotta lift up your finger. Back to 3rd fret. And then pick D to A. So. Same here, we can mix it up with the strumming. Chorus. Just want to bring it down for the verses. Chorus, come on. So that's about it. Then we have the instrumental part, which is E minor. On to the G major. 1, 2, 3 to A minor. 1, 2, 3 or A minor 7. That happens 2 times in the song. And there's a little melody there if you want to learn that for the more advanced players. So that's 8, 7, 5 on the B string. Down verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, there it is. I melt with you. Hope this lesson helped you. I'll see you tomorrow, guys, with more awesome songs. Be safe. Thank you.